All right, let's be real for a second. If you run a manufacturing business, your machinery isn't just equipment. It's the heartbeat of your entire operation. But what happens if that heartbeat suddenly skips? A gear snaps, the motor burns out, or some freak accident brings the whole line to a grinding halt. Here's the deal. Machinery breakdowns aren't just inconvenient. They can cost you thousands in repairs, days of lost production, and even risk your reputation with clients. That's where machinery breakdown insurance comes in. This isn't just some extra add-on. It's the safety net that keeps your business running when things go wrong. Imagine this. 1 minute your machines are humming along, and the next, bang, a breakdown. Without coverage, you're paying for repairs or replacements out of your own pocket. With machinery breakdown insurance, you're protected against those sudden, accidental damages, so you can get back to business faster and without breaking the bank. And here's a pro-tip: pair machinery breakdown insurance with fire insurance, and you've got a rock-solid shield against the unexpected. Fires, mechanical failures, electrical surges, no matter what happens, you're covered. So if you want peace of mind and a business that doesn't grind to a halt every time there's a hiccup, machinery breakdown insurance isn't just an option, it's a must-have. Don't wait for the next disaster. Protect your business, your people, and your profits, starting today.